everyone, today I will be making one of my favorite Haitian dishes, spaghetti ak aranso, spaghetti and smoked herring. Smoked herring is an oily fish that has been salted and smoked to preserve it. If you are vegan or vegetarian, just skip the herring part and continue the recipe. And if you have other vegetables that you want to use or meat, you can always substitute in place of the herring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned.
Cut a whole onion in half, then slice it. Use any color bell peppers and slice it. Cut a whole shallot, very small, then rough chop it. In boiling water, I add a heaping tablespoon of garlic and scallion paste, then I add 2 pounds of spaghetti. I'm cutting 6 fillet of smoked herring. I slice it lengthwise, then I cut them really small. You can rough chop it if it isn't small enough. Once the spaghetti is cooked to al dente, I strain it, saving the water for later. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, fry the herring on medium to high heat, add the shallots and let it cook for 2 minutes. Add an 8-ounce can of tomato sauce or 2 heaping tablespoons of tomato paste. Let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes and keep stirring. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic and scallion paste. Stir and cook for 2 minutes. Add half a tablespoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of ground cloves, or if you don't have ground cloves, you can use 5 whole cloves. Add the pasta water, stir to make sure to remove the fond from the bottom of the pan, crank the heat to high and let it come to a boil. Tie the Bouquet Garni. I only had thyme, so I will be adding parsley paste instead. Add the Bouquet Garni, half a tablespoon of mustard, half a tablespoon of the parsley paste since I don't have fresh parsley. Add the pasta into the sauce, mix it in really well, and lower the heat to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, mix it in well, then add the onions and peppers, stir it into your pasta. Add a Habenero Pepper only for the aroma, lower the heat to low, and cook it covered for 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and wait 10 minutes before serving.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is by far the quickest quarantine meal ever, and I say quarantine because of the smoked herring that's inside of it. It's been preserved so you can keep it in your pantry, in your fridge, or your freezer. It lasts a very long time, and I say quickest because it only took 25 minutes for the prepping and the cooking of the vegetable. Now I get to try it, and when I say this is like my favorite meal ever, you guys don't understand. I didn't add salt to the spaghetti because of the smoked herring. It's already salted. Can't wait to try this. This takes me back home to Haiti. I love spicy, If you want, you can add some habanero peppers in it to make it super spicy. But it's incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed this.